Want to supercharge your manifestation abilities? Imagine starting your day with a powerful practice that sets the tone for everything you want to achieve. What if you could do it in just 10 minutes every morning? Just a small slice of your day can make a huge difference. You have incredible power within you. This power is waiting to be harnessed, waiting to be directed towards your goals. It's the power to make your dreams a reality. Every dream, no matter how big or small, can be within your reach. By tapping into your subconscious mind, you can achieve amazing things. Visualization and journaling are key techniques to unlock this potential. This isn't magic, it's about understanding how your mind works. Knowledge is power, and learning about your brain can give you the edge you need. With the right tools, you can direct your thoughts and energy towards what you truly desire. Vision boards and focused breathing are just the beginning. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The journey starts with a single step, and that step can be taken today. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. Let's make every minute count. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It's always working, even when you're not aware of it. Think of it like a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. Positive thoughts plant seeds of success and happiness. Negative thoughts plant seeds of doubt and fear. What you focus on grows. By understanding this, you can start to consciously choose positive thoughts. This will help you manifest the life you want. Many people struggle with manifestation. They have big dreams but can't seem to achieve them. Why does this happen? Often, it's because of limiting beliefs. These are negative thoughts you have about yourself or the world around you. Maybe you don't believe you're good enough or that you deserve success. These beliefs hold you back. They prevent you from reaching your full potential. The good news is that you can overcome these beliefs. For over 50 years, Joseph Murphy studied the power of the subconscious mind and witnessed firsthand how it can transform lives. His morning routine is a simple yet powerful way to tap into this power. It only takes 10 minutes, but its effects can last all day. This routine is about starting your day with intention and filling your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs. By doing this, you'll set yourself up for success in all areas of your life. In just 10 minutes, you can set the tone for your entire day, transforming your mindset and energy. Here's how the routine works. It's simple yet profoundly effective. First thing in the morning, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner of your home or a serene spot in your garden. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any stress or tension. Feel your body relax with each breath, releasing any tightness or anxiety. Think about 3 things you're grateful for. These could be people, experiences, or simple pleasures that bring you joy. It could be anything, big or small. The key is to focus on the positive aspects of your life. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself. These are powerful statements that reinforce your goals and aspirations. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I believe in myself and my abilities. Every day I am becoming a better version of myself. I am strong, resilient, and confident. I attract success and abundance into my life. I am worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am grateful for all the opportunities that come my way. I am surrounded by positive energy and supportive people. I trust the journey and embrace every experience with an open heart. I am constantly growing, learning, and evolving. These are statements that affirm your desired reality. Say them with conviction and belief. Create a clear mental picture of yourself achieving your goals. Visualize every detail vividly. This simple routine can be life-changing. It sets a positive tone for your day and aligns your mind with your aspirations. It's about training your mind to focus on the positive. With consistent practice, you'll notice a significant shift in your outlook and overall well-being. Visualization is a key part of this routine. When you visualize, you create a powerful image in your mind. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So when you visualize yourself achieving your goals, your subconscious mind starts to believe it's possible. This belief then drives you to take action and make your dreams a reality. It's all about tapping into your inner strength and harnessing it to create a life filled with purpose and joy. This 10-minute morning routine is a powerful tool for transformation. It can help you boost your confidence. Starting your day with intention sets a positive tone for everything that follows. Positive affirmations help you believe in yourself and your abilities. By repeating these affirmations daily, you reinforce a mindset of success and self-worth. Reduce stress and anxiety. Focusing on gratitude and positive thoughts can calm your mind. Taking a few moments each morning to reflect on what you're grateful for can shift your perspective and reduce stress. Improve your relationships. When you feel good about yourself, you attract positive relationships. Your newfound confidence and calmness will naturally draw others to you, enhancing your social interactions. Most importantly, it can help you manifest your dreams. Visualizing your goals and writing them down makes them more tangible and achievable. By consistently practicing this routine, you'll start to see amazing changes in your life. Your dreams will begin to take shape, and you'll find yourself living a life that truly reflects your inner power and potential. Take charge of your life. Start your day with intention and purpose. Try this 10-minute morning routine and see the difference it makes. Share your experiences and let's inspire each other on this journey of growth and manifestation. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you.